So it's mid-August in Indiana here. It's pretty warm out today. Grateful to have the sawmill shed and the fans covering me up and keeping me somewhat cool. Mornings are starting to feel a little bit more like fall, and yeah, starting to get back into milling a little bit of wood. I don't like milling it when it's 95 degrees out, so yeah, here we are today, milling up some maple. Beautiful log, 12-foot long. We're gonna be milling into 10/4 or 2.5-inch thick slabs, about 2 feet wide. And yeah, once we get it milled out, get everything stickered, and get everything over in the solar kiln to start drying it. So, like I said, looking forward to getting back into this. I took a little break this summer, but yeah, this maple's gorgeous. So, hope to be sharing a little bit more with you guys, and any questions, let me know. Anyone want to stop by and take a look, you're more than welcome. All right, see you next time.